And visibility is a big issue. You can see right now it's way down to 0 in Sanford. Northern Maine's in good shape, but we've got only quarter-mile visibility in Augusta right now, half-mile visibility in Portland. And look at to our south, those deep blues, South Shore of Boston here, getting in on that heavy snow. For us, we're watching this band here that's moving through the Gulf of Maine, headed toward the shore at this hour. And now Northern Maine is getting in on some of that light snow as well. Zooming in here, you can see Fayette, Monmouth down through Lewiston and Turner getting in on that moderate snowfall now, starting to pick up. Places like Paris starting to see a few flakes as well, and the mountains getting in on it now as well. Rangeley down here through Bethel and over to Berlin, New Hampshire with the moderate snowfall. And of course, York County has been snowing almost all day long. York and Kittery seeing the heaviest of the snow, but right up the coastline here, we've got that blowing snow, reducing visibility. And we're going to continue to watch this band of snow as it moves towards the coastline here over the next couple hours. And we'll see our winds peaking as well right around 2, 3, 4 o'clock. So our current wind speed, not the wind gust, but the sustained wind speed, almost 30 miles an hour in Augusta and Portland. The highest wind gusts coming in along the southern coast right now. Current gust at Portland Jetport is 44 miles an hour. Rockland as well. Sanford gusting close to 40 miles an hour. The peak gust we've seen through the day today, Kittery picked up a 65-mile-an-hour gust, definitely strong enough to start taking down tree limbs and causing issues with power. Cryhaven 60-mile-an-hour gust. Cape Elizabeth almost 50. Same with Cape Nettic and Portland coming in around 40-mile-an-hour gusts. And of course, we're seeing the snow-covered roads, which is causing a lot of issues out there, a lot of slide-offs, but the visibility is tough. Much better now in Kittery than it was earlier on this afternoon. You can see in Biddeford a lot of snow on the camera there and very greasy roads across the area. Tough for the crews to keep up with it as they clear it and the snow just blows right back onto the road. Our coastal flood warning we are keeping an eye on. Luckily, nothing like this January storms back in 2024 when we had southeasterly winds. We have northeasterly winds. Storm surge right now is coming in at about 2 feet. It's expected to stay that way through high tide. So we've got to keep an eye on the high tide here this afternoon, just before 3:30 on kind of an hour on either side of high tide. We'll be keeping an eye on the York County coastline. We're going to see water in the usual problem areas. We're going to have a lot of splash over, and we're going to have some big chunks of snow and ice likely washing over as well. That kind of complicates the coastal threat here with this storm as we have all the snow and ice on our rivers and in our bays that will be kind of breaking up and causing further impact as we go through the afternoon. Keeping a close eye on that. Look at our weather buoy. We're up to 14-foot waves off the shore right now. Winds gusting around 55 knots. And you can see in our Portland Skycam, we've got snowy roads, few wanderers there, 21 degrees right now, and we're feeling that wind coming in out of the north at 28 miles an hour. Total weather alert is going to continue through this evening, but then the snow shuts off late evening and we will see some clearing as we head toward tomorrow morning. If we talk about your wind gusts here over the next couple hours, they're really going to peak around 3 p.m. We're talking 45, 50-mile-an-hour gusts. Still blustery though through the evening hours. At 6 p.m. we still have winds gusting over 40 miles an hour, 50-mile-an-hour gusts along the mid-coast. Even once the snow shuts off, it's going to be blowing around, reducing visibility and making cleanup quite tough once again. Let's time it out here on your storm tracker later on this afternoon at 4 o'clock. We still are dealing with bands of heavy snow and the highest of the winds as we head toward dinner time, 6, 7 o'clock. Snow still heavy in some bands, but it's becoming a bit more scattered. And then as we head toward 10, 11 o'clock, snow is largely shut off, but it will be blown about by the winds. We do see clearing as we head toward tomorrow, a nice quiet day for us to catch our breath there for cleanup for tomorrow. But then as we head into Wednesday, we're going to see another round of snow, although this time much lighter. We're talking 1 to 3 inches, maybe 4 at most, and it's quick hitting there through the day on Wednesday before we get another little break to enjoy towards the end of the week and slightly milder temperatures towards the weekend. We're talking about 30s and 40s here as we hit the weekend. So that's snow chance Wednesday. I know nobody wants to see that, Megan, but that one's not going to come with the wind or nearly as much snow, just a couple inches.
Yeah, you know what, Colleen, we have a lot to get through today, but Saturday looking pretty good. Already looking forward to the weekend.
46, how about that?
Yeah.